Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy M23, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now here I'll set the maximum mode. This mode means that when the device will reach the highest volume of the speakers, here the value on the display will change. So let's start. Let's try.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you, it's you, oh you. The second I saw you, I'm nervous that it's you. I'm nervous. Should get back. Been losing my mind, like being lost to you. Yeah, your blue eyes, all my plans reversing. You know that it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you.
So as you can see, our Samsung Galaxy M23 reached 113 decibels. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.